Did you know when native trees are cleared in Logan, more trees are planted elsewhere? This is called an environmental offset. It's our way of making sure native trees and plants lost through clearing are replaced. To help keep our city green, it's important to remember 3 simple things when you're thinking about clearing. 1. If possible, avoid it. 2. If you can't avoid it, minimise it. And 3. If trees are going to be cleared, you'll need to provide an offset. An offset could be planting more trees on your site, or it could be paying a contribution to council, which we use to plant trees elsewhere in our city. It's all about making sure that the environmental values that are lost are replaced. Since 2014, the financial contributions collected through our offset policy have seen more than 70,000 trees planted and more than 70 hectares of land revegetated across our city. As you can see, environmental offsets play an important role in our growing city. They help protect and enhance our environment for future generations. If you want to know more about how things work, visit the Logan City Council website.